to our dynamic and beloved Governor, Governor Gwen Garcia, sa atong Vice Governor Junjun Davide, Vice Gov, abin akong bag-uto na kursus test datong RadTech da. Tigayo dito graduate na part sa medical field ba. To my colleagues in the Provincial Board, TESDA Director General, a close friend and colleague of my sister in the 19th Congress, Secretary Jose Francisco Kiko Benitez, Sec. TESDA Deputy Director General, taga-ato gyud, Sugboanon, Director Vidaldi Villanueva, TESDA Regional Director Gamriel B. Vicente, Assistant Regional Director Floro T. Rinca, sa atong mga mayores na naadiri kauban nato karong hapuna, led by Mayor San Shimura, sa mga TVIs, sa mga graduate scholars, mayang hapon kanatong tanan. I have always believed that acquiring new skills is essential for empowering citizens as it leads to greater employment opportunities and enhances the overall quality of life for individuals in the community. With the Sugbo Kahanas program, atong mahatagan og katumanan ang damgo sa mga yanong Sugboanon. Human sa pipila kabuan nga pagbansay-bansay ubo sa Sugbo Kahanas 3, ang inyong dugay ng gihuwat naabot na gyud. No, karon taod-taod ato na niyang ipang-apod-apod ang atong mga NC2 certificates, atong mga toolkits ug allowances. None of these achievements would have been possible without the capable leadership of our energetic and tireless Governor Gwen Garcia. Gov, daghan jud kayong nalipay ug nakabenepisyo ani atong programa. Tagaan atong masipang pakpak atong pinanggang gobernadora. In partnership with the Technical Education Skills and Development Authority, TESDA is not merely a government agency. It stands as a reliable partner of the Cebu provincial government in nation building, catering to the needs of the Sugboanons. As of today, Sugbo Kahanas already has a total of 11,731 scholars since its launching on March 2021. On its first season, we catered 4,329 Cebuanos. Then on its second season, we had 3,803. And now in its third season, we had 3,599 scholars. Ug angay sad natong pasidunggan ug daygon ang paningkamot sa atong mga Sugbo Kahanas focal person, sa akong mga kauban sa Provincial Board, o ilabi na sa mga staff sa PSWDO headed by our department head, Ma'am Mary Rose Dira Lopez, and together with Dr. Rose Vincoy, and to all of you who have devoted your time and expertise to nurturing talents and skills. You are the building blocks of our province success. Daghang salamat sa inyong oras ug sakripisyo. This livelihood program, which was patterned after other essential programs such as the Sugbo Negosyo, Sugbusog program, transforms lives beyond the limitation of social and economic boundaries. It answers the demands of the labor sector in shaping a labor force that is responsive, fit, and adaptive, and makes you, our graduates, active agents of change for the betterment of the province of Cebu. To our Sugbo Kahanas 3 graduates, congratulations. Ang kahanas na sa inyong mga kamot. You have already acquired the needed tools and skills, equipped with learning on how to live for a lifetime and not just to live by a day. Shape your future today, turning your dreams into tomorrow's reality. Mabuhi ang Sugbo, mabuhi ang Sugboanon. Daghang salamat.
Thank